How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy and we're back with another video from CES 2020, and this one is another concept car video, this time from Mercedes-Benz, and this is Vision Avatar, AVTR. And that AVTR means Advanced Vehicle Transformation, and this car is everything that you expect from a concept vehicle. So most likely we're not going to see it on road, but a lot of the elements on there shows you where Mercedes are thinking, what they're thinking about, what they're going to be doing in the future of them designing their vehicles. So this is fully electric, fully autonomous. There's no steering wheel. So the whole car is designed around and inspired by Avatar. So even the wheels, if you look at them, the bulge out, the extra arch, really, really massive. And even the lighting going on the tires as well resembles that, if you've seen the film, of like the trees in the film and that kind of stuff. If you look towards the back, you see these flaps. So there are 33 flaps there that's meant to communicate with the environment, other road users and so on. So again, it's not limited to that, but they can do more with that as well. Inside the car itself, you see there's no steering wheel as mentioned, but in the center console is where you'd place your palm and the car will be able to read all kind of biometric information like your heartbeat and that kind of stuff. And that's where you'd use to actually control the vehicle entirely. So all you've got is that massive center console as well. You've got a massive colorful display which can augment different things and display different information as you sit down as well. Again, on that green credential, this has got vegan leather inside the car. It's got like recycled material, even down to the battery as well. It's like graphene-based battery in there, which is free of like materials that are toxic to the environment, which is really good as well. And the car just looks fantastic, looks absolutely incredible and just bonkers, if you ask me. But I'm looking forward to seeing what Mercedes do with this car in terms of the next iteration of this and what they take from this to put in actual cars that we'll see in the real world. Also, if you look at those tires as well, they're not just that size or that shape, spherical shape for no reason. It allows the car to move in different directions, so almost like a crab, so it can move sideways in like 30 degrees, which is quite interesting to see how that's going to work. It means things like parking in spaces will be a lot easier. You don't have to do all that maneuver. Again, it's going to be autonomous anyway, so you don't have to worry about that. So it should be interesting. But anyway, guys, let me know what you think about this car. It's absolutely, again, just bonkers. It's Avatar or Avatar, as some people have been calling it, but don't do that. But guys, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Let me know what you think in the comments below and hit that bell notification as well if you haven't already. And I shall see you guys in the next video.